Okay, this will be a very quick one. It's a psychological aspect of improvisation. It is extremely important. It is the most important episode or level I will teach in this series, and it is so important that I'm still in my bathing towel. I was about to shower and I remembered it, and I had to make the video quickly, right? Because I'm on my way to somewhere. Actually, a wedding. A friend of mine's wedding, right? Yeah, Usayande, childhood friend. I have to quickly run there now, but then I have to make this. Sayande, if you ever get to watch this, congratulations, and I'll be there in a jiffy. Okay, so it's about confidence. Now, this is a psychological episode, so listen. What is confidence? To me, I believe confidence, especially when it has to do with young men, is that feeling or that knowledge or awareness that you have that you know that you are fine just being by yourself, being who you are, not trying to change to impress anybody. But if you change, it is self-improvement, not because you want to be better for someone else. It is confidence is knowing that you are fine just being by yourself. If you find a girl to love, you are fine. If you're like my friend Osayande who finds a girl to marry, you are fine. But if you don't find, you're fine. Confidence is knowing that the way you are at the moment is just fine, and you are sure about yourself. So you don't let people who have achieved more or done more intimidate you with their success. That is confidence. And if you have confidence, it will affect the way you carry yourself when you're outside. You're not going to start feeling awkward in the midst of people that are not the same level with you, because you know your level is just fine, right? You have accepted who you are and where you are at that point in time. That is confidence. And when you are confident, a lot can happen. When you meet a girl, you're not going to act all desperate, because you know that where you are is not bad. You like where you are. You just want to see what happens on the other side. So you're not going to be all needy and trying to please her and trying to, you know how guys do when girls are around. You're going to act like a man and be matured and all. So basically, that is what confidence is. Now, there is confidence in an improvisation. Confidence in improvisation, first of all, before I talk about that, you need to know that without the sustain pedal, your improvisation will be nonsense. Let me try playing without the sustain pedal. Nonsense, but watch sustain pedal. So sustain pedal makes all the sound come together. Now, you must learn how to use the sustain pedal before you continue this series. The link in the description below has a link to a video I did on sustain pedal, and a friend of mine also did how to use the sustain pedal. So I'll put the two links down. Go and master that before you continue. Now back to confidence. Confidence in the piano is knowing that even if you stay on one note forever, you can't be wrong. Your left hand goes through the chord progression. Choose any chord progression you want. It can be do, la, fa, sol. In the one I'm using now, it can be do, fa, sol, la. It can be fa, sol, la, do. It can be do, la, sol. Just those chords, right? Anyone. Right, you can use any of them. So for now, I want to show you that you can stay on one note and not move anywhere, and it will still sound fine. So that when you are improvising, you don't start rushing, jumping everywhere. You can stay on one note and just be there, and you'll be fine. As long as the note is part of the pentatonic scale, you'll be fine. So let's try do. It is just fine. Just fine. You can go to re. It is just fine. Just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It just has a little tension. Me. Just fine. You see, you don't have to rush and start playing anything. You can even slow it down. Slow it down. You don't have to hit it very fast. Just fine. You can go to re. It is just fine. Just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It just has a little tension. Me. Just fine. You see, you don't have to rush and start playing anything. You can even slow it down. Slow it down. You don't have to hit it very fast. Just fine. Just fine. So don't rush, don't speed up. So I have a visitor. So okay.
Should be the person.
Yeah, I don't start them. So okay, my friend is here, Alex. So he's interrupting my video, but I don't mind. Okay, so so you get the gist, right? You can stay on any chord. You can slow it down. You don't need to always rush. This is what gives you confidence when improvising. You can go to your saw. Stay there, no need to rush. I went to La, you can come back to me. So that's you have to have confidence. Stay in one place, no need to rush. Use your sustain pedal all the time. Yeah. See you soon. Next episode.